Students, this question was asked in NEET exam 1998 from the chapter Laws of Motion, that is from the chapter 4 of class 11. A mass of 1 kg is suspended by a thread. It is lifted off with an acceleration of 4.9 meters per second square. Secondly, it is lowered with an acceleration of 4.9 meters per second square. The ratio of tensions is. Students, two cases are given here. You see, one case where the body is lifted off with an acceleration of 4.9 meter per second square. So acceleration is in this way, upward. Okay, student, and the body is accelerated upwards. Suppose at that time the tension in the string is T1. And this is the mass of the body, so mg always acts downward, students. The gravitational pull of attraction is always towards the center of the earth. Again, when the body is lowered this way, this is the acceleration and this is the mass, and it is suspended by a thread. Suppose this is the thread, student, then suppose this tension is T2. Okay, student, this is the attached from here. This is suppose the body is hung from here, students. This is T1 and this is T2. So we have to find out the formula, student. Then this is going upward in the first case. So students, MA, what is MA? MA is equal to T1 minus mg in the first case, or we may write T1 is equal to MA plus mg, or m into g plus a, student. In the second case, you say the tension is towards the string because it is hanging from here, and the acceleration is downward, student. Acceleration here is downward, as well as the weight is the force weight mg is also downward. So here ma, the equation of motion will be ma is equal to mg minus T2, student. So we may write T2 is equal to mg minus ma, or this will be mg minus a, student. Okay, and we are given what is the acceleration? In both the cases, the acceleration is, student, 4.9 meter per second square. So this is m into 9.8 minus 4.9, that is 4.9 m, and this is m into 9.8 plus 4.9, that is, student, this is 987 71 415 14.7 m. So student, what will be T1 is to T2, T1 is to T2 will be 14.7 m, and m is given, student, that is 1 kg, so this is 14.7 Newton, and this is also 4.9 into 1 means 4.9 Newton. So this is 14.7 Newton by. So students, T1 is 14.7 Newton and T2 is how much? 4.9 Newton. So this is 3 by 1 or 3:1, that is option C is correct, students. How we solve this problem, student? Analyzing what are the forces acting on the body. Here you see the body is, in both the cases, the body is hung from a same point. So the tension is upward, student. But here the acceleration is upward, and this is acceleration is upward, but here the acceleration is downward. So this acceleration, student, and the weight of the body in both the cases acts downward. So student, here ME, the net force becomes P1 minus this mg, but here this MA is mg minus T2. because the acceleration is downward. So analyzing the situations and the forces acting on the body, student, we solve this problem.